Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to archive and unarchive a chat in Signal. Whether you are trying to clean up your inbox or just hide conversations for later, it's super easy and I'll guide you step by step. First of all, open up the Signal application on your smartphone and make sure to log in. Once you're logged into your account, on the main chat screen, go ahead and find the chat you want to archive. Once you find the chat you want to archive, swipe left on the chat and you will see an archive button. Tap on it and your chat has now been archived. The chat will be moved to the archived section, clearing up your main screen. Now if you ever want to archive a chat, then from the home page or the chat page of Signal, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now you will see the archive option, tap on it, and your archived chat will be displayed on the page. To unarchive the chat, swipe left on it and click on Unarchive. And just like that, you will be able to unarchive the chat. This will bring the chat back to the main inbox once you unarchive it. And that's it. Now you know how to archive and unarchive chats in Signal, quick, clean, and easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.